Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you easy ways to increase the battery life on your ASUS TUF A15 laptop. First, lower your screen brightness. Your display uses a lot of power, so reduced brightness can make big difference. Press Fn plus F7 to reduce your brightness or use Windows brightness setting. Next, turn on battery saver in Windows. Close your app you are not using. Any programs run in the background and drain the battery without you noticing. Check the task manager to see what's running. Set your power mode to better battery or power saver. You can find it in the battery icon on the task manager or in settings. After that, system, power and battery, then power mode. Turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or any backlit keyboard when you don't need them. These features use extra power even if you are not actively using them. Finally, keep your laptop cool. It reduces battery efficiency. Use it on a hard surface, not on a bed or blanket, and make sure vents aren't blocked. Following these simple steps can significantly extend your ASUS TUF A15 battery life. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.